I'll run you through a couple of industries. You tell me, will AI disrupt them in the next 3 to 5 years, or will they survive? Ready?
Okay.
Travel agents.
AI.
Real estate agents.
They'll stay.
Why?
Anything that is negotiation centric, anything that requires a high level of negotiation will always be human. Because really, if you think about a human being, we're made up of knowledge, a conscience, and will. AI has just got the knowledge part. It doesn't have a conscience, and it also doesn't have will. It requires human beings to put their own will into it. So negotiation, you're playing on conscience, you're playing on will, you're playing on things beyond just knowledge, right? But travel agents, a lot of that's just knowledge, like I want to go here, what's the best way to do it? Easy work for AI.
Movie and TV script writers.
They'll still be there. I think I think what AI will do will create 80% prototypes, and then human beings will add the final 20%.